Inserting the data symbol in Excel is one of those tasks that feels like it should be a single button but actually has a few different flavors depending how you like to work. The first method is the keyboard shortcut. If you have a numeric keypad on your keyboard, this is the quickest method. For uppercase delta, you need to hold the Alt key and press 30 on the number pad and release the Alt key. For the lowercase data symbol, you need to press the Alt key and type 235 on the number pad and release the Alt key, and here it is. The second method is the symbol found trick. If you just need the symbol quickly and are not worried about the cell containing other normal text. So for this you need to type the capital D letter, head to the home and change the font to symbol. The D will magically transform into uppercase delta. For lowercase delta, put the smaller d, head to the home and change the font to symbol. The small d will magically transform into lowercase delta. The third method is the symbol menu. This is the old reliable method if you don't want to memorize code. Then go to the insert, click on the symbol, click on the symbol, and in the font you need to select the normal text, and in the subject you need to select Greek and Coptic. So now find the uppercase data symbol, here it is, click on that, and here is the lowercase data symbol, click on insert and close. The fourth method is the autocorrect method. If you use this symbol constantly, you can tell Excel to replace a specific keyword with the actual symbol automatically. You use the uppercase delta frequently, then copy it and then head to the file and click on the more and click on the option. Now head to the proofing and click on the autocorrect options, and in the replace box type delta, and in the width box paste the symbol. Now click add and click OK, and now OK, and now type delta and hit enter. So whenever you type delta, it will be automatically transformed to uppercase delta. So if you want the data symbol to appear as part of the formula, then you need to put the uppercase, put the equal sign, type unichar, open the bracket, type 916 character code, close the bracket, hit enter, and here it is. There is another custom number formatting method. This is the most elegant way to handle delta. You can make Excel automatically put a delta symbol in front of any number in a specific column without you having to type it every time. So for this you need to highlight the cells you want to format. Then right click and go to the format cells, go to the customs, and in the type box you need to remove it and put the formula. You can copy from there and then click OK. And now for example you enter the 50 in that cell, it will automatically display as delta 50. With these methods you can easily insert delta symbol in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.